Welcome to the Dancing Vegan. Today we're making chili and cornbread. First, soak the beans for the chili overnight. Ingredients include 1 banana, cornmeal, chick pea flour, baking powder, salt, oil, and sugar. I'm covering the pan with coconut oil. I'm putting a little bit of cornmeal on the bottom of the pan. This is optional. Let's build our mix with cornmeal and chick pea flour. Now we're going to add our baking powder and our salt. Next, add sugar and stir all your dry ingredients. Next, I'm going to mash the banana to create an egg substitute. Add oil. Add a full cup of milk. Mix well. Add the wet mix to the dry mix. And stir. Now we're going to pour our mix into our baking pan. Make sure you spread it around evenly. Now place it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes on 375 degrees. When it's ready, just add some vegan butter to the top. Next, we're going to make our chili. Ingredients include cayenne pepper, bay leaves, cumin, red pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, a can of diced tomatoes, fresh basil, onion and garlic, half a bell pepper, celery, carrots, and jalapeno. Dice up your veggies. Next, we're going to add our veggies to our beans that have been cooking with a little bit of onions, garlic, and celery. Add your veggies to the chili pot. Next, add your can of tomatoes. Add about 2 teaspoons of cumin, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a teaspoon of chili flakes. Add bay leaves, fresh basil, and garlic. Go ahead and give it a good stir and let it cook down. We use the crock pot and let it cook down for a couple of hours. Now enjoy this homemade chili and cornbread. 100% vegan. Like, share, and subscribe.